Wynberg families and especially to the Wynberg old boys. Welcome to the construction site on the Engineering and Design faculty. I'm standing here in what used to be the matric quad, and as you can see behind me, the construction is going on of the new facility. I'm standing here in the construction site, and where I'm standing at the moment is going to be at an art gallery. So if you look around here, this is all going to be space for art, and below me there is a workshop, and that is going to be a workshop for one of the engineering subjects. And as you can see, wonderful spacious venue where the artists are going to be able to express themselves, and where we will hold art exhibitions and so on. And so on my right over here is Herschel Walk, and then as you look at the back there, of course, there's that concrete screen over there. And where I'm standing at the moment is going to be an art gallery, a new art gallery. It's a wonderful space, as you can see, and the roof at the moment is not on, but the roof is going to have a lot of skylights in it, and it's going to allow in a huge amount of light. Here at the site, and as you can hear and see up above me over here, they are busy pouring the final concrete we can put the roof on. So this signals the beginning of the final phase of the project. Standing here next to the basketball courts, next to me is the road leading up to Herschel Walk, and obviously behind me you can see the construction going on the Engineering and Design faculty. If you look over there, you'll see the beautiful big windows over there, and then obviously brickwork that is being put together at the moment. Now, talking about brickwork, since we launched the Funded Brick campaign about 3 weeks ago, I'm very pleased to say that we've raised almost R1 million in the period since we launched it, which is a fantastic effort. And I'd like to thank all the parents and the old boys and friends of Wynberg who have contributed to the Funded Brick campaign. We still have a little bit of a way to go, and it would be fantastic if people could continue donating, and we can get to the stage where this building is finished to such an extent that we can use it fully at the beginning of next year, when the academic year starts near the end of January. So thanks to those who contributed thus far. We need more, and please contribute. Thank you very much.